Let me see.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Forevermiraj back with another video. Your girl Tabitha Brown Sunshine Seasoning has been getting around the globe. Everybody has been giving their taste and first try. In this video, Monique gives her review. The last time Monique was actually in the news, you guys chewed her out because she was like, stop wearing them hair bonnets in the airport. So let's see what Miss Monique thinks about Miss Tabitha Seasoning.
Hey, my sweet babies. You ever made something, but it didn't turn out the way it was supposed to turn out, and it turned out to be something else? Well, I saw our sister, Tabitha Brown. She did a video on chickpea scramble, right? And she put a little bit of her sunshine seasoning on the chickpea scramble. So I said, I'm gonna make the chickpea scramble. Well, I didn't see Sister Tab put no tomato paste in it. That's not what she did. But I wanted to take it a step further and put a little tomato paste in it. Well, it took it from a scramble to a hash. Okay, it got different. But it tastes incredible, right? Everything she did, I did, except for that damn tomato paste. Tab ain't told nobody to put no tomato paste in there, but I said in Monique's kitchen, I'm gonna put the tomato paste in there. Well, it didn't become a chickpea scramble, Tab. It became a chickpea hash. Take a look at that thing. Take a look at that thing. Yes, 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 baby. Now I'm gonna tell you something, Tab. I know this sold out. I know it did, but I'm glad I got mine before it did. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of my sister's sunshine. It smelled like sunshine. Do y'all see the rays? Do y'all see the rays? Let me sprinkle, Tab. Let me sprinkle, because you got to just sprinkle that thing. You got to sprinkle. You got to sprinkle. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Now listen. Sometime when you try one thing and it becomes something else, don't give up, right? Because when I looked at it, I said, that don't look like what she did. But then I put my mouth on it and I tasted that thing. Oh, yeah. So don't do corned beef hash. You don't have to. Get you some of that chickpea hash. You see that steam coming up off of it? Look at that. Let me blow it and see what we're talking about. Tab, where you at with it? Where you at with it? I'm going to taste this chickpea hash. It's got peppers, onions. I sauteed some tomatoes. And then I put that tomato paste in it. Huh? Damn it. Let me see. Let me tell you something. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. This just for me and my husband. Because I know y'all saying, how you dipping your fork back in your pan? Because this for me and my husband. Oh, that thing is talking to me. What you say? Yes, I'm gonna bite you again. Come on, you ready? Tab, get with that chickpea hash, baby. Get with that chickpea hash, baby. When I put this sunshine on there, something never tasted so good. It paralyzed you for a few seconds. Watch this. And I'm back. We love y'all for real, babies. Sis, so proud of you. Keep it going. Chickpea hash. Chickpea hash. I'm going to bottle that up. I'm going to bottle that up. I'm going to bottle that up, Dad. Chickpea hash. Come on, everybody. Feel good in your system. Yeah. Talk to it. Do y'all smell that? And then you can see, look, you can see Sister Seasonings right on top of there. Yeah. Get with it. Chickpea hash.